Choosing the right angle grinder can be tricky. Weak motors, short battery life, poor speed control, and heavy designs often ruin productivity. That's why modern cordless angle grinders with brushless motors are a game changer. They deliver stronger cutting power, longer runtime, and better control without cable limitations. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best cordless angle grinders, designed for cutting, polishing, grinding, and metalwork. We analyzed features, performance, and real user feedback to make this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more smart tool reviews.
Number 5. HILDA 12V Mini Cordless Angle Grinder. The HILDA 12V Mini Angle Grinder is a compact and beginner-friendly tool designed for light cutting, polishing, and DIY tasks. Its small size makes it easy to handle in tight spaces, while the rechargeable battery provides true cordless convenience. It comes with cutting and polishing accessories, making it ideal for home projects, crafts, and small repairs. Although it's not built for heavy-duty work, the smooth operation, portability, and low power consumption make it a great choice for users who want precision and ease of use in a miniature grinder. Number 4. Magnitt 125mm Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder. The Magnitt 125mm angle grinder features a powerful brushless motor that delivers stable performance with reduced heat and longer motor life. Designed to work with Makita 18-volt batteries, it offers flexibility for users already in that ecosystem. The 125mm disc size makes it suitable for cutting, grinding, and polishing metal, tiles, and other materials. Its cordless design improves mobility on job sites, while the ergonomic grip ensures better control. This grinder is a solid mid-range option for both DIY users and professionals. Number 3. Electric Goddess Brushless 100/125mm Angle Grinder. The Electric Goddess 100/125mm angle grinder stands out with its 4-gear speed control, allowing precise adjustment for different tasks. Powered by a brushless motor, it offers efficient performance with less battery drain and reduced wear. Compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, it's ideal for metal polishing, grinding, and cutting applications. The variable speed feature makes it suitable for both aggressive cutting and fine finishing work. If you need control, versatility, and cordless freedom, this grinder delivers excellent value. Number 2. MWOK 125mm Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder. The MWOK 125mm angle grinder is built for strong, consistent performance in demanding tasks. Its brushless motor ensures higher efficiency, longer runtime, and better durability. Designed for DeWalt 20V battery pins, it integrates seamlessly into existing tool setups. The grinder handles cutting, polishing, and grinding with ease, making it suitable for workshop use and job sites. With solid build quality, smooth power delivery, and reliable cordless operation, this model is a great choice for users who want professional-level performance. Number 1. YOFIDRA 1500W 125mm 2-in-1 Brushless Angle Grinder. The YOFIDRA 1500W brushless angle grinder is the most powerful and feature-packed option on this list. With a high-speed motor reaching up to 12,000 RPM, it delivers excellent cutting and grinding performance. The 2-in-1 design allows both polishing and grinding, making it highly versatile. Compatible with Makita batteries, it offers strong cordless performance without sacrificing power. Ideal for heavy-duty metalwork, construction, and professional use, this grinder delivers top-tier performance and durability. Cordless brushless angle grinders offer more power, longer battery life, and better control than traditional models. These 5 options cover everything from light DIY work to heavy professional use. Choose the one that matches your battery system and workload. Which grinder fits your needs? Comment below and subscribe for more tool reviews.